In this video, I'll show you how to add Amazon gift card to Cash App. By the way, if you run a business, Cash App probably isn't the best option for you, but I'll explain more about that later in the video. If you have an Amazon gift card and you're trying to add it directly to your Cash App balance, it's important to know that Cash App does not support adding Amazon gift cards directly. However, there is a workaround you can use to move the gift card balance to Cash App through your bank account. To get started, open your Amazon app, or go to the Amazon website and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to Amazon Pay. From there, look for the gift cards section and select the option to add a gift card. Enter your Amazon gift card details carefully, then add the balance to your Amazon account. After the gift card balance has been successfully added, go back to Amazon Pay and choose the Send Money option. Select Bank Transfer and enter your bank account details. Then continue and complete the transaction to send the balance to your bank account. Once the Amazon gift card balance has been transferred to your bank account, open the Cash App on your phone, log into your account, tap on your profile, and go to Linked Banks. From here, choose to link a bank account, select No Card if prompted, and add the same bank account where you received the Amazon balance. After linking your bank account, the funds will be available and you'll effectively have your Amazon gift card balance accessible through Cash App. Cash App is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, Airwallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what Cash App offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed Airwallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.